Hi, this is Ramu, Associate Professor, Department of CSC, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, Hyderabad. In today's class, we are going to concentrate on file opening and closing modes, right? And here, if you consider this file opening, see, fopen is a function. Last class we have seen how to open a file. Fopen is a function. By using fopening function, you are going to open the files. See, in fopening, you have two things are there. The first one is the file name. Right. The second thing is the mode. Which mode you are going to open. Right. The modes are available. We will see later. See here, for example, if you want to open a file in a read mode or write mode, see, W means it is a write mode. If you refer R means it is a read mode. We will see one by one. Right. This is the way you are going to open a file. Right. What is the difference in the read and write? And append also is available. See, if you open a file in the write mode, the file is not exist, it is going to create the file. The file is already exist, it is going to overwrite the data. Coming to the append. Append means it is if the file is not available, it is going to create the file. If the file is available, then it is going to add the data. That is the difference of the append and write. We will see one by one. Next, after opening the file, by using fclose function, you are going to close the file. It is very important because if you are not closing your file properly, means it is going to loss of your maybe cause to loss of your data. Right? Try to maintain the fclose function. It is not mandatory. You didn't get any error, but you may lose your data. Right? Try to close properly after opening of every file. When close means maybe cause of to lose your data. Right? See, these are the functions are available. Modes: read mode, write mode, append mode. Right? Read plus mode, write plus mode, append plus mode. Means, see, if you open a file in read mode, means the first thing, the file is not available. It is going to generate an error. Right? It generates means the file does not open. It is going to generate an error. See, write mode. If you open a file in a write mode, then the file is not exist. The file is not exist. It is going to open the file, create a new file. Creates a new file. See, if the file is not available, it is going to create the file. If the file is available, then it is going to overwrite the data. Overwrite the data. That is a different use of write. Coming to the append. See, append is also two things are there. The file is not exist. It is going to create the file. If the file is available, then it is going to append the data. Right? And R plus mode. See, open a text file in the both reading and writing. So this is also reading and writing mode. Right? And open a text file in the both reading and writing mode. These are the same. All are the same things. And coming to the RB means binary files. Reading a binary files and writing a binary files and appending the binary files. Right? See, we'll see with a small example. I'm going to explain how this is going to work here. See, first I'm going to create a file pointer, file star f equal to, see, f open of, observe clearly here. First I'm going to create a one file, right, ire.txt, right. If you create a file in a write mode, see, already in ire text, hello ire is there. See, ire in text. If you open a file in a write mode, see, if you run this code, what it generates an error. File stop. Yes. It's warning only, right? ID returned exit. Yes. Oh, I've mistaken here. Open, right? Yes. See, the file is created. See, if you open ire.txt, the file is empty. The reason is you open a file in the write mode. If the file is exist, what happen? It is going to remove the data. For example, if you write a hello ire, right? And I save the file. If you open a file in a read mode means you didn't get any problem. But see, if you open a read mode, the file is not exist. The file is not exist. But if you open a file in a read mode, then see, if you want check the file is exist or not, so you just use a null printf error. See, if you run this code, it is going to generate an error. Reason is the file is not available. The file is not available. It is going to generate the error. For example, if you use a W here, see, it didn't generate any error. See. The reason is now file is available. If you open a write mode, now if you open a read mode, then you didn't get any problem here because of now file is available, right? And see, hello IRE is there, right? If you open a file in, observe clearly, if you open a file in append mode, generally you know that if you open a file in a write mode, it is going to erase the data if the file is exist. See, the data is available. For example, if you do the same thing with the W, see, and see, now data is erased. Is this clear? How W will work, how A will work, and how read will work. All are the modes are available to open a file in the particular usage, right? And what happen if you use a R plus or W plus? See, it is reading or writing mode, right? If you run this code, the data is hello is there, right? If you run this code, it is going to delete the data. See, for example, if you use R plus and file is not available, IRE file. See, if you run this code, it is an error because read plus write mode, right? Read plus write mode means the file is not exist. It is going to generate the error as like a read mode, right? If you use a W plus mode, it is going to get the new file, right? These are the various file opening modes: read mode, write mode, right? Append mode. Generally we use. So main difference between the append mode and write mode is append mode. The file is not exist. It is going to create the file. The file is exist. It is going to add the data at the last end of the file. But coming to the write mode, the file is not exist. It create the file. The file is exist. It is going to overwrite the data is available in the file, right? Is this clear? And coming to the fclose, see, by using fclose function, you are going to close the file which you opened. See, if you run this code, the file is closed, right? And the today class, what we have seen, how to open a file and how to close a file, and what are the modes are available in the file opening, right? Thank you very much.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.